In this video, we're going to look at how you can assign powerful 2D and 3D asset processing workflows to an asset library, making them easily accessible to anyone on your team with a single click. Polyverse lets you assign polytrons to an asset library. Polytrons are microservices capable of powerful 2D and 3D processing, backed by Abstract's comprehensive ecosystem of software like Instalod for mesh processing and Instamat for materials, texturing, and 2D image manipulation. Polyverse Asset Libraries let you access assigned polytrons directly from the asset page, making it quick and easy to process assets within that library. This enables anyone with access to the library to process assets on demand without additional software installation or training. Let's look at how to assign a Polytron workflow to an asset library. First, navigate to the asset library you'd like to assign the workflow to. Then, click the Edit button, then click Edit Workflows. Scroll down to Polytron Workflows and click the New button. You'll then be presented with your most recently used polytrons. Now, to learn more about polytrons and how to use them, watch our dedicated video with the link in the video description. Let's choose the 3D file conversion polytron to make it easy for team members to convert 3D assets into any file type. Next, let's select the type of asset that will be used with this polytron. In this case, we'll choose Mesh. We'll then choose which polytron input we'll supply the mesh to. In this case, there's only one. And finally, we can give our workflow a name and description. Click Create Workflow to finish the setup. Don't forget to click the Update button to save all changes to the asset library. When we're ready to use our workflow, we can select an asset, click the Polytron Workflows button below the 3D viewer, and select our new workflow. Polyverse will automatically supply our asset as the input for the polytron, and we can then configure our settings, such as the file type that we'd like to convert to. Clicking Process will process the asset. Once the asset finishes processing, we can add the output to an asset library or download it. Polytron workflows make it easy to quickly process assets in a library without extra software or specialized training. For example, we can assign the Gen AI background removal polytron to easily isolate the subject of an image for compositing. We can even create our own specialized polytrons by uploading Instamat packages to Polyverse and running them directly in the cloud. Thanks for watching this video on Polytron workflows, and we'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about Polyverse, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.